Dark bodies floating in darkness, no sign of light ever